Welcome back to Lawless Motorsports. Tonight we're going to be installing a turbo kit. This big old Jeep. Look at that thing. I really don't want to work on it, but you know, good buddy asks you, you do it. So that's what we're doing here tonight. So stay tuned. We're going to rip this valve cover off and start tearing her down from the top down to the bottom, all the way to the oil pan.
Getting ready to mount this turbo up on this Jeep.
Yeah.
Good old 4-liter with a turbo. We'll do everything aftermarket here. All day, every day. Well, after 5.
We're going to change the valve cover.
Put a new valve cover on it.
Yeah.
Had to do a new oil pan on it.
We already changed the oil pan. Right now we're doing that and making supports for the turbo pipe. And let's see, we still got to run the oil cooler and do a few things like that. Vacuum lines, exhaust, usual stuff. Shouldn't be too big a deal.
We're trucking right along with it.
I'm gonna weld a little bit, so watch your eyes.
Fabrication.
Yeah. Trying to.
Did you ask him about the welding on the frame?
Yeah, he said do whatever we need to do to make it work.
I like customers like that.
Yeah. So we're about to make it work.
Makes life so much easier.
They do. I'm gonna burn me up. Did you unhook a battery?
No?
Or you should?
Why?
I don't know, they just said it's a good idea.
When have we ever had any good ideas? Better put my hat back on, I don't want people to know I'm off.
Well, you're on camera now, Sean. Good thing you're editing.
Yeah.
That's what that editing software.
Yep.
Hey, you ought to be able to put a full head of hair on your head. Look like Fabio.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put your wig on in the video, Sean.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna throw this valve cover on the Jeep. Alright, hold up there a little bit. Then I'll forget to call. Hold right here a little bit because I'll forget to call. Alright. See you, bro.
Hard to get a good shot.
Yeah.
That light.
Yeah, the LED, I noticed the LED ones, they flicker on the camera. If you use just a regular bulb, they don't flicker. All right, I'm gonna make something up here. Maybe not. Yeah, I better. Help hold that.
He's 16.
Yeah.
We better.
Yeah.
Or well, maybe 17, 18. I don't know. Not really sure.
I know, he's young.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Good.
Hopefully. Bang. Closer.
You got much more.
See here. Where's that vacuum with it? Where's vacuum?
I took it off because we got to run a different one.
Plug that oxygen sensor up. Valve covers on.
Custom bracket almost there.
Where you going with it?
I'm gonna make a 90 and drop it down. Bolt it to that AC bracket.
Pretty well done right now with some new stuff. You gotta grind on that more, don't you, Tom?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. Don't forget to lube yourself up before you have it. There we go.
Okay.
All right, here we go. We're gonna try and fire it up. We got everything hooked up to our knowledge, at least. So we'll see. And all the exhaust done. We're gonna see what it'll do.
You may start it.
Try. We're gonna try.
It's a Jeep.
The Jeep
Always a possibility.
may or may not.
Fuel injected.
Yeah. Better check oil before we get too excited here. We don't want to blow this thing up.
We don't want to blow it up, do we? Whoa.
We don't want to blow it up at all. We'll let the owner do that. Dang, we're good.
Right in there?
Yeah, we're right in there. Heard a little bit of something squealing or whistling. We'll see.
We're going to let it down test drive?
Test drive.
We
What was the
don't-
boost showing?
It's just dead even on 0. I didn't never really.
More. Let's see where we at. I don't know how many clicks is a pound.
How many clicks are they?
Bunch. I really don't know. There's 10. We'll try it. I don't know if that's a pound a click or what it is, but
You
we're
don't want that. They didn't have it. What? 10 on it to start with?
20.
Oh, yeah.
That's where they blew it up. That was 20. So we'll do half of that. Probably just need to let it sit here and run a second just to be sure everything's going to be.
Get the
Fine,
turbo
Danny.
and stuff lubed up.
What are we forgetting? I know we're forgetting something. I just don't know what it is.
And the only thing I thought we had was that train on.
Yeah. Was the wideband showing?
Yeah, it's up on like 8.
Hey!
Summer's right there. Whatever. It's low. It's way down.
That ain't good.
And it was low. It was only an hour. Hell, never mind, it didn't move.
Oh. Yeah, it may take it a minute to warm up. Some of those have to warm up. It's like O2 sensor.
What's it supposed to be on?
Like 12, 14, somewhere in there. 13.
It may not be, might not be no good.
It may not be. I've got that AEM like you got. We can hook it up.
So anyway. I can sell him mine for anything and make profit.
Yeah. I use it for tests. I got to hook Zach's truck up. C10 whenever I get it going.
Yeah. My Holly will have one.
Yeah, it'll work all right. Let me see if this thing will start. It may not.
Lord, it's on fire. Call the fire department.
They're just right there, so we're good.
Alright, here we go. First test drive in the Jeep after the big turbo.
I wouldn't say big. It's not really a big turbo.
Well, it's a turbo, nevertheless. If it's a turbo, it's big. Bigger than one I had.
This throttle's real sticky. I'm kind of worried about that.
It's always been hard to push. I'm back over my poor little Honda over there. This is a big Jeep.
Yeah, that's first. Only run 100 at first. Oh, what was the boost at?
10?
No, that's vacuum.
Oh.
It goes above 0 for boost.
Oh.
Dang, my door's not shut.
She's building something anyway, ain't she?
Yeah. Dang, I don't know what's with that.
Wideband still ain't red.
It may not work.
I'll take it down the bypass.
I'm not that trusting yet. Mess with it. He can mess with it.
Just tell his tuner dude to do what he needs to do. We got it in there. We got it building a couple pounds of boost. I don't want to lean it out too much. You just take it to your tuner and let him go to town. Yes, quit wasting your money.
Yeah.
Buy some gear. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Brian. That's you.
Yeah, you. pretty much wraps it up for this turbo project, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more odd different projects we've got going on around here. So I'm gonna try and get some more videos out to y'all here pretty soon. So please like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and stay up to date with our project cars. So thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time.